Hey, thanks for checking out my video. Today I'm making some monkey bread, and this is a smaller batch because all the recipes on the internet are for, they call for 3 cans of biscuits, and you put it in a bundt pan and it makes a really big batch, and I'm just making a small batch that we're going to make in a loaf pan. So to get started, in this Ziploc bag I have a half a cup of white sugar and 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon. And I'm going to cut up these biscuits and put them in the cinnamon and sugar. And since these are such big biscuits, I'm actually cutting them into, instead of quarters, I'm going to cut them into 5 or 6, I'm sorry, 6 pieces each. Okay, so now we're going to seal this up and shake it up, and everything will separate and get nice and sugary. Okay, so now I'm going to take my trusty loaf pan and start layering these in there. And I'm going to put some pecans in there too, because this comes out kind of like sticky buns, and to me the best part of a sticky bun is the pecans, so I'm going to put some of those in there. Okay, so we've got that ready. Now I have a half a cup, 1 stick of butter right here that I'm going to put a 1/4 cup of brown sugar in. I'm going to mix it up. And I'm going to microwave it for about 30 seconds. Okay, so I put this in the microwave for 30 seconds. I stirred it, and then I put it in for another 20 seconds and stirred it. And now we're just going to pour it over everything. We're going to put it in the oven for, not exactly sure how long it's going to take. I'm going to start checking at about 25 minutes. And it could take all the way up to 35 minutes. We'll check it and see. Okay, our monkey bread is ready. Just going to invert it onto this plate. There you go. It looks delicious. It is delicious. And it's just enough for 2 to 4 people instead of one of those great big ones. This is just perfect size for a smaller batch. So thanks for joining me today, and I hope to see you again soon. I will put the recipe in the description. Take care.